How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove our profile picture on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove your profile picture on TikTok, all you have to do is open up the TikTok application and simply come to your profile page, as you would be able to find here. So right here you'll actually be able to see your profile picture. You can just tap on the edit profile option, then tap on change photo, and if you want to choose another photo, you can tap on select from gallery and then choose a generic image, right? So you can choose a blank profile picture type of image over there, and once you've chose that profile picture will get removed. So you have to replace with something and you can't leave it empty currently, so you can only just tap on the view photo option if you want to view it. Otherwise, the only thing that you can download an empty profile picture icon and then go ahead and then remove it from there. So this way you'll be able to remove your profile picture on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.